Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you're new here, welcome. So friends, I just got back from Aldi. I just did a quick little run over there. There was a few things I wanted to get, but I ended up picking up a little more than what I anticipated. As you can see back there, I go from shoes to food to, you know that Olive Shame gets you every time. I also picked up some pumpkin spice items, so I'll be doing a taste test on those as well. So if you want to see what I have, keep watching. All right, my friends, so we're going to start right here, and there's Mr. Tracy, puppy. Say hi, honey. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Sorry about that. All right, we're going to start here, and I'll show you each item, and I'll also put the price of each item that I paid up on the screen so you know what I paid for it. So the first item is the vanilla non-fat Greek yogurt. Hubby likes that, and so does my son, and they just top it off with some granola. I picked up some crispy circles. These are like the Rita crowns. We prefer these over the puffs. I just think they get a little bit crispier and they have a really good taste. I did purchase 3 bags of those because they don't always have those in stock. Then I got some jumbo buttermilk biscuits. I'm going to be doing a crock pot recipe with that, and I'll be sharing that with you in Crocktober. And back there I have some yellow Spanish rice. We love this rice so much. I did notice the price went up like 60 cents or something like that. So the price did go up on that. If I can find the old price, I'll show you the difference, but it's still not that expensive, but we love that. I got some of the con queso cheese, the salsa. These both are made by Casa Mamita or Casa Mamita. I love both of these. They are just absolutely delicious. I really like those a lot. I picked up some grape tomatoes. That's going to be a recipe I'll be making as well. I have some lemons. I love lemon in my iced tea, and I ran out, so I have been missing those. And then back there I have some Duke's mayo. You needed another one of those. I like Duke's better than the Hellmann's or the Kraft, but honestly I don't see that huge of a difference, so I buy this just because it's cheaper. I picked hubby up 2 packages of the English breakfast tea and an Earl Grey tea. He likes the Earl Grey tea when the weather changes a little bit. And then I picked up some apple pie filling. I thought that was the fried apples that they usually have, and it's not, but I'll just go ahead and use that and add some cinnamon to it, no biggie. Picked up a can of pineapple slices. I'm going to be making a salmon recipe. I was really low on pepperoni, and I like to have those on hand all the time. Then I have some of the real bacon bits. I've been using that a lot just because bacon is so daggone expensive, and I've been using this in recipes, and it's been working out really well, and they're very inexpensive. I have some golden round crackers. I'm going to be making a vintage dip and taking it to work, so you'll be seeing that coming out. You'll probably see that before this video, I'm not sure, but either way I'll be using them for that dip. Then I just picked up a packet of fig bars for hubby because he really likes to snack on those. And then we're moving into the caramel pumpkin spice things that I purchased that I'll be doing a taste test on. These are pumpkin pie caramel clusters. And down there, let me move that out of the way so you can see, is the Belvita crackers. They are pumpkin spice as well. Then we have hubby's maple leaf cookies. He absolutely loves these cookies. I did buy 2 boxes of those. I will not be taste testing those because I've had them. I don't like them. I don't like anything maple. But he loves them. So, and then I picked up this pumpkin spice pretzels. It's like yogurt covered. I thought they sounded really good. And then I have the wafer rolls. It's pumpkin spice as well. Here we have pumpkin spice cream cheese, and I thought, why not try it? Then we have pumpkin spice flavored Oreo cookies as well. And then the last item is this margarita pumpkin crust pizza. It says it has cherry tomato, basil, garlic, spinach, and mozzarella cheese on it. And I like everything about that, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to try it. I'll have it for lunch one day, and I'll let you guys know in the video when I do it. It's probably a several day tasting because I'm not going to open all of those at one time. And I'll let you know how everything is, so keep an eye out for that. And then I got these really cute Sarah Ladies boots. Look at these. They have a zipper in the back. Aren't they adorable? It's like a olive green, I guess. I thought they'd be really cute with a pair of jeans. I just thought they were really pretty, so I got them. Then I have some flour tortillas. I picked up some of the corn tortillas. My husband really likes those as well. I got some bagels to try out that pumpkin spice cream cheese. And then this right there, I purchased, well, I guess I'll show you. This is going to be a giveaway come January for National Soup Month. So keep an eye out, guys. You're going to want to subscribe because I got giveaway coming in October and in January. All right, my friends. So how much do you think I paid for all of this? How much do you think I paid? Give you a quick second. My total was, sorry, I'm looking at the receipt, $112.78. That does seem like quite a bit of money for what I got here, but I do have shoes and that little immersion blender, so those right there were a big factor. But that's my Aldi haul. All right, my friends, so that'll do it today for my Aldi haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to make sure you hit that little subscribe button because I will have a taste test coming out for all the pumpkin spice stuff. Also, I am going to be having a giveaway in January for National Soup Month, and one of the prizes is going to be that immersion blender. And I will be having a really cool giveaway in October as well. So please make sure you hit that little subscribe button. So friends, thanks so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. Also, go check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. Friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.